So welcome students. In this question you given that you have an ellipse whose major axis is AB and the minor axis is CD. And F is one of the focus and it's given that OF is equal to 6 and the diameter of the inscribed circle of triangle OCF is given as 2 units. So if that is so, you are asked to find AB into CD. That is, you are asked to find the product of the major axis and the minor axis. So how do you get this? So first let us try to analyze the given information that we have. So the first information that we have is OF is equal to 6. OF is nothing but A into E. So if you consider this ellipse as x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1. So AE is given as 6 and this is the length of minor axis. So CF will obviously be equal to the number A because CF square from Pythagoras theorem, CF square is OC square plus OF square, that is equal to B square plus A square E square, and B square is equal to A square minus A square E square plus A square E square. So B square is A square minus of A square E square. So these two gets cancelled and that becomes equal to A square. So CF will be equal to the length of semi-major axis. Now, the first information is that this distance is equal to 6. The second information is regarding the incircle of this triangle. So, what is the radius of incircle of a right angle triangle? So, we have a very special formula, very easy formula to find the radius of the incircle of a right angle triangle, which you have learned in 10th class. So if you have a right angle triangle ABC, so this side is B, this side is A, this side is C. So if R is the radius of incircle, so you get a square here because this is 90-90 and this will also be R, this will also be R. So this distance is equal to A minus R, this distance will be equal to C minus R, and tangents from an exterior point are equal. So if this is A minus R, this is also A minus R, and this is C minus R, this is also C minus R. So A minus R plus C minus R is equal to B. So R is equal to A plus C minus B by 2. The sum of perpendicular sides minus the length of hypotenuse by 2 gives you the radius of the incircle. So if you want the diameter of the incircle, so diameter of the incircle is directly A plus C minus B, which in this case is given as 2. So what is the corresponding equation for this? The second equation is 2 is equal to the diameter of this incircle is equal to the sum of the perpendicular sides, that is B plus 6 minus hypotenuse. This implies A minus B is equal to 4. This is the second equation that you have. AE is equal to 6 and A minus B is equal to 4. And from these two equations, can you find AB is nothing but 2A into 2B. So effectively you need to find 4AB. That means you need to find AB. So can you find the value of AB? So from these two equations. So let us try to do this. So AE is 6. So A square E square is equal to 36. A square E square is equal to 36. So A square into E square is nothing but A square minus B square by B square is equal to 36. Sorry, by A square. A square minus B square by A square is equal to 36. This A square and A square gets cancelled. So A square minus B square will be equal to 36. So A square minus B square is nothing but A plus B into A minus B is equal to 36. A minus B is already equal to 4. So if you put this as 4, so you get A plus B is equal to 9. So A plus B is equal to 9, A minus B is equal to 4. From these two, can you find A and B? Or directly, if you want 4AB, I can just do A plus B whole square minus of A minus B whole square. So 4AB is nothing but A plus B whole square minus of a minus b whole square, that is equal to 81. A plus b whole square is 81 minus a minus b whole square is 60. That is equal to minus 16. So you have 61 plus 4. You have 65 as the answer. So 4AB is equal to 65. Thank you.